Hey there mga my loves, Cancer! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yun nga no, bago natin simulan na basahin ang iyong energy, reminders muna tayo Cancer na hindi po all of you ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you at kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. So, yan, ano pang hinihintay natin. By the way, ha, wala tayong gender dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross watchers, you can flip roles if you want. And this is a general reading right here. So, really take what this resonates with you guys. Nabubulol. So, yun nga, let's go ahead and check out, no, Cancer, ano ba mga posibleng maging kaganapan here for you. Tingnan natin ang iyong energy. So, Spirits and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for my Cancerian people? Can you please show me? What do we have here for Cancer? This is for my Cancerian people. Can you please show me? This is for Cancer. Cancer. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for Cancer, please. Cancer. Alright, so let's go ahead. Ano pa ang mga magiging kaganapan here for you, Cancer? So let's see. Tatignan na natin. So you do have here the Eight of Wands. Right off the bat, it's a communication I'm seeing. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Looks like a new job here for you guys. Baka kayo to na nagbabalak na umalis at lumipat ng isang bagong kumpanya or magbago ng business. Go ahead, do that, no? Kasi meron tayo ditong positibong mensahe, magandang balita na ano man ang sisimulan mo from Ace of Coins energy going to Ten of Pentacles energy. So whether you're changing your career, whether you're changing your pinagtatrabahuhan or business, go ahead, do that. So I do pick up right here that you're already feeling it. At makakuha tayo dito na yung iba na sinisimulan niyan habang may action na kayong ginagawa. Looks like meron kayo dito marireceive na communication, might be a phone call or email, no? Parang if this is a job na applyan mo or nagpasa ka ng CV mo or ng resume, no? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that you will receive some kind of a call, an invitation right here. So there is a process wherein pagdadaanan mo yan, pero nakikita ko na literally ma-ace mo yan. So whatever the case may be, yung target goal mo na yan, no, ay mauuwi sa Ten of Pentacles energy. You do not expect this. Yes. But I do get that 2024 for you, Cancer, is really something special. There is some kind of a big change. That's what I'm sensing from here. So if you are having this kind of doubt that hindi ka nagsusut sa iyong work or hindi ka nag-fit sa trabaho mo ngayon and you're thinking of changing your career, changing job, no? But you are in a process right here na syempre hindi naman yung as in pag naisip mo na no na alis ka sa trabaho mo, alis ka ng hindi ka ready, no? So, hindi yun ganun. Okay? If you feel that there is some kind of a lack or parang may kulang, no? Hindi ka satisfied sa trabaho mo or sa kinikita mo or sa business na yan, no? Go ahead if you have here a plan. Lalo na kung matagal mo ng plano yan, nakikita ko na magiging makulay yan for you. Yan. Pwedeng lipat ng trabaho. I'm seeing you receiving here that you are maha-hire, yan, no, sa isang trabaho rito, no, or ang iyong business ay makakuha ng collaboration, or meron ka rito magiging mga suki or pabalik-balik na mga customers. So, yun na nakikita ko rito. Ang ganda, guys, no? Kasi, kayo to na gusto niyo ng pagbabago this 2024. Nakikita ko na may sasagawa niyo na yung plano ninyo realidad. Kumbaga, hindi na ito drawing. kundi ito ay magkakaroon na, no, ng buhay. So, magkakaroon na ng kulay rito ang mga pinapangarap mo lang noon, makakamtan mo na. Aba, hindi biro ang 10 of, 10 naman, nabubulol, 10 of Pentacles energy or 10 of coins right here. Yan ang hitting the jackpot dito sa tarot. Kaya naman mga babes, no, you're gonna hit the jackpot right here na hindi lamang ikaw ang magiging happy, kundi pati na rin ang buong family. So yan mga babes, no, para akong nasa commercial, no, na ano ko lang yung tunog. Pero yes, definitely, it's a big yes. Success is coming and big changes, okay? Lalo na pagdating sa yung kaperahan, Cancer, ang nakukuha ko rito. See, it's an unexpected right here. The tower is present here and your angels and spirit guides are communicating with you. Number 16 could be somewhat special or mahalaga sa'yo. Pero with the number 16, when you add it up, 1 plus 6, you got 7. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you that you will be some kind of receiving here message coming from your angels, your guardians right here, no, na meron ditong unexpected na oportunidad, no, na it's like a small offer, okay? Pero mararamdaman mong gusto mong i-grab yan at worth grabbing naman kasi yan kasi dadalhin ka yan sa hitting the jackpot right here. Basta opportunity yan na mag-grow ang money mo. Yun ang nakikita ko rito, no? Yan. Bongga. Nakita ko na mas paglalaguin mo pa yan with the 9 of Wands energy. This is you. Okay? You're gonna use here your strategy. Magsa-strategize ka dyan. You're gonna use here your creativity. At gagamitin mo dito ang lahat ng skills mo, no? Mas ma-enhance pa yan, no? At ikaw to na mas mapapalago mo pa, no? Nang ikaw lang, mag-isa. Nang ikaw lang mag-isa, no? Yes, you heard it right, na ikaw lang mag-isa, mga babes, no? Makakapagpalago niyan. Cancer, no? At nakita tayo rito ng mga sanga, no? Which is a part of a tree. So, nag-uumpisa na bumuo ka rito ng isang napaka-solid na pundasyon ng buhay mo. Puno is a symbol of stability, and whatever it is, money is growing for you. Cancer, you're not just gonna paint here the life that you want to have for yourself, but you're gonna make it your reality. So, yeah, yun na nakikita, ang ganda, no? Alam mo, nakikita ko rin na magkakaroon dito ng bonding moments, no? Sa family ninyo. At saka hindi ko alam kung ba't ko nakukuha yung mensahe na parang meron ditong gustong maging parte ng pamilya nyo. Kung sino siya, isa siyang single, 101% certified single. Single siya mga babes, no? At kung sino siya na gusto niyang maging parte ng inyong pamilya, no? So nakikita ko rito, no, hindi mo ine-expect, like, ang message na nakuha ko is hindi mo ine-expect na itong tao na to, no, is magkakaroon pala ng feelings and emotions para sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, kilala mo na siya. Hindi mo lang ine-expect na magugustuhan ka niya or hindi mo lang ine-expect, no, na may crush siya sa'yo. Crush. Pizza. Yes, mga babes, no? Kung sino man siya, gusto niya maging parte ng family mo, no? And I do pick up, no, na gusto niyang maging family kayo. Okay? In specific, no? Yun ang nakukuha ko dito. And yes, you have here the Page of Cups energy, King of Pentacles energy, and the 8 of Pentacles. There you go. Money, money, money. You're counting monies. Yan, diba? Tingnan mo yan, no? Tingnan mo yung malaking coin na yun. Diba yun lang yun? Ace of Coins, no? Pero mapapadami mo yan. Diba? With the 10 of Pentacles energy. Mapapadami mo yan kasi gagamitin mo yung mga skills mo, ideas mo, i-apply mo yan. Magpo-focus ka dito sa trabaho mo, no? And you're gonna take care, no, of this privilege na matagpuan niyang ganyang klase ng oportunidad. And with this Page of Cups energy, I'm seeing, okay, young individual or a young vibe energy. Doesn't have to be na younger sa'yo by age, pero pwede para sa iba. Pero sa nakikita ko rito, kung sino man siya paparating rito, like nakikita ko mag-e-invest ka sa kanya, no, ng emotions. Yes, no? Nakikita ko na magbo-bloom ang connection na ito, no? At posible itong mauwi at mangangamoy rito pag-ibig. Miss, yan ba yung tinutukoy mo rito na gusto maging part ng family or maging family ko? Hindi, iba pa to. Iba pa 'to mga babes 'no, kung sino siya mga babes 'no, napakalambing niya rito 'no. At kung sino rin siya, puwede siyang mas bata talaga sa'yo, younger than you by age, but doesn't have to be. Puwede rin naman 'no na young vibe lang yung binubugay niya. Ibig sabihin puwedeng ka-edad mo siya 'no or hindi kayo nagkakalayo ng age 'no, pero siya ay may tinataglay na, energy ng isang child. Yung, punong-puno ng energy, very positive 'no, yung hindi pinoproblema ng bongga yung mga problema 'no. So whatever the case may be, this is someone here who focuses on the light. At ang maganda, nakikita ko rito 'no, na isa siya ritong tao na posible rito na talagang magkaroon ng seryoso sa inyong relationship. So kung sino man siya, nakikita ko na mag-i-invest ka sa kanya. Yes. And it will start blooming. The emotions and feelings will start sprouting right here. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ba't ako nakakita ng toge, kaya ako sinabi yung sprout. So, baka ulam nyo yan, or baka kayo yung, tinulungan nyo yung nanay nyo no, magtanggal nung, sa toge, no, kasi yun yung magiging julam nyo. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, kahit di kayo makita ng toge, nakita natin yung kaya natin sinabi dite. Okay? Kaya naman, just take how this resonates, Cancer, no? Ayan, ito ang mga mensahe for you. By the way, okay, ewan ko kung meron dito may nakarinig ako ng pagdabog. So, maaaring meron ditong, hindi naman sila nangangamoy away, no? Pero, pwedeng meron kayo ritong makatampuhan, no? At ang nakakaloka yung makakatampuhan ninyo mga babes, no? Like, literally na hindi pa talaga kayo nag-away ever. So, kung sino man siya na parang isa yung indikasyon, no, na kung sino yung hindi pa kayo nag-aaway ever, no, siya yung makakatampuhan mo here. So, this could be anyone you know. Okay? So, yeah, just take how this resonates, Cancer. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Sarang hayo, love and luck. Annyeong.